Welcome to today's video. Let's begin with our book, that is Knowledge World, a course book of general knowledge for class 6 by Seraphic Era Publications. Hello everyone, let's begin with a new chapter today, that is chapter number 9, Green Energy. Let's begin with the chapter now. Just imagine if the earth uses all its coal, petroleum, oil and natural gas reserves. What will happen? How will the cars, planes, trains and all other vehicles run? How will we cook our food? How will generators and heavy machinery work? We need to harness and develop the renewable energy sources which are present in nature. Let's read about some of the sources of renewable energy. So let's begin with the first, that is known as the tidal power. Now tidal power is what? It is a form of renewable energy. Tidal action in the ocean is converted to electric. One of the ways to harness tidal power between high tides and low tides is by using a dam to block the receding water during the time when the tide flows out from the land. And during low tide, water stored in the dam is released and the water passes through a turbine in order to generate electricity. The next we have the biomass energy. Let's read it. The biomass energy is obtained from a landfill or waste dumps. Most of the waste that we dump is buried in the ground. It rots and generates a gas which can be used as renewable or green energy. Now this gas is used to produce electricity, and in many Indian villages especially we are talking about, and towns, biomass energy is used for cooking, lighting and other power needs. Let's now move to the solar energy. Nowadays people have started using solar panels for generating electricity at their houses also. Now solar energy is procured from the sun's rays that reach the earth. The sun's energy can be transformed into the thermal, that means the heat energy, and it is used in homes for heating purposes. It can also be used to provide electricity using the photovoltaic cells or the solar power plants. So this was all about the solar energy. Then on the next page they have given us about the wind energy. They say that since ancient times people have tried to harness wind energy to pump the water and to cut wood. Nowadays it is also used to grind the crops. Windmills are used to generate electricity in many countries. The next we have the geothermal energy. Now geothermal energy is obtained when the water flows over hot rocks under the ground. In this process, the hot water and steam are formed which escape through the earth's surface through mud pools, hot springs and geysers. And this hot water and steam are hence used to create electricity. Then the last one given on this chapter is the agricultural crops. Now renewable energy can also be derived from the agricultural crops, that means the crops that we grow. It is a liquid which can be used in internal combustion of engines and fuel cells. So this is all about the various kinds of energy, renewable energy which we can obtain from the nature and hence can be used. Let's now move on to the quiz time. The first question given in the quiz time is, which of the following is not a source of renewable energy? And is the answer wind, gasoline or water? The answer is gasoline. Second question given over here is that which among the following is not a greenhouse gas? And what is the answer? Carbon dioxide, ozone or nitrogen? And the answer for this question is nitrogen. Then the third question given over here is which of the following best describes the renewable energy resources? And the first option is pollute the environment, B is are constantly renewed by the nature, or the third one, the C one, contribute to global warming. And the answer for this question is B, are constantly renewed by nature. Then we move on to the fourth question, and this question says this source of renewable energy does not depend on the weather. And what is the answer for this question? Geothermal, hydropower or the solar energy? And the answer is geothermal. So this was all about the quiz time, children. I hope you must have understood the chapter and your doubts must be clear now. Well, thank you everyone for watching the video. Stay tuned till the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.